Hello everyone, welcome to a new BLOOCK tutorial demo. In this video we're gonna show you how to get started with our BLOOCK SDKs and our dashboard. So first of all, you need to have a signed up account in dashboard.blook.com, and after you sign in, all you need to do is go to our API keys section on our dashboard, and inside you're gonna have the test API keys that we provide. Go to create test API key, and inside all you need to do is set up a name. In our case, we're going to put it as BLOOCK's demo. You set up an expiration date, which can be any date you want, and then just select the scopes that this API key will have. In our case, we're going to select both of them, and then just click the create button. It's going to show you a token that we need to use on our SDK. So we will just copy that. And let's go to our code. In our case, we are using the JavaScript SDK. So all you need to do is install our package, which is at BLOOCK/SDK. I already have it for this demo, so you can execute this command for yourself. And then on the code, all we need to do is instantiate a new client, which will be provided by our BLOOCK client class. So it's going to be new BLOOCK client, and as a parameter all it needs is an API key, which is the token that we copied earlier. And with that is all set up, this client instance will give you all the functionalities that BLOOCK provides, and this is all you need to do to set it up. So this is all for this video. Make sure to follow us on LinkedIn and visit our webpage at blook.com, and thanks for watching and see you soon.